The restaurant and hospitality industry is a vital part of our community, providing jobs and opportunities for many. But with the constant evolution of technology, it could be really hard to keep up, stay relevant, and even stay competitive. That's where the RIO Tech at Roosevelt University Hackathon comes in. This event brings together some of the brightest and most innovative minds in our community to develop and launch new solutions for the restaurant and hospitality industry. By supporting the RIO Tech at Roosevelt University Hackathon, an event produced by Stecker Inc., it will allow for local restaurant and hospitality businesses to support the creation of new mobile applications and technology that will produce more inclusive and sustainable business practices for the future of both industries, ultimately helping businesses operate more efficiently by benefiting from the advancements in technology. Pretty cool, right? But it's not just about technology. It's about access. The hackathon also provides access and opportunities for workforce development, with participants learning valuable hands-on skills that they can continue to use for the benefit of aspiring techies and the restaurant and hospitality industry. By supporting the RIO Tech at Roosevelt University Hackathon, community leaders and restaurant owners can help create a brighter future for their businesses, their employees, aspiring techies, and the community as a whole. What's better than this? Don't miss out on this opportunity to be part of something big. Big, big. Support the RIO Tech at Roosevelt University Hackathon today.